Hey guys, I'm Misha from New Air Plumbing HVAC, and here today we're in Boston installing two condensers, heat pumps, Fujitsu. They wanted a cooling during summer and heat during winter, so we're installing two condensers, one for the upstairs, downstairs, two heads down there. Also, we helped the client get a $10,000 rebate from Mass Save. If you have any more questions, please contact us at New Air Plumbing HVAC. We'll gladly help you guys.
So right now we're hanging the brackets for the heads. Make sure it's level, lining up the drain and the hole for the line sets.
Because it's going to be sitting outside, you want to get the condensate drain line plugged, so you tape it off so no debris gets inside of it. To make it easier to go through the hole you just made, is easier to tape it around just to keep it all secured and not flopping in place. So this is head number 2 in room number 1. It's a 7K head. We just got it up and running. We got it leveled, put it on secured so it doesn't go anywhere. The lines are now outside, ready to connect to the condenser. And this is a wrap for day 1, as much as we can do as for today. We'll be back to the rest of the hookup.